friends, we are out here at 2741 North 16th Avenue. This is in the East Hill neighborhood of Pensacola, 32503. Just a block away is one of the park/playgrounds that this neighborhood is so well known for. This home was built in 2015. Let's take a peek inside. The first floor has tile wood look flooring throughout, save for the bathrooms. Grand entryway. This awesome window up above. Everything chic and modern. Neutral color palette throughout. Built-in shelving. Gas fireplace. Big open great room. All stainless appliances. Gas stove as well. Generous island with breakfast bar. Your nice big apron sink. So look at the whole way around. There's 2-car garage, mudroom, and laundry. Lots of windows for natural light. Stonework around the fireplace here. A natural wood mantle. Master bedroom is treated to plantation shutters. Generously sized for your king-size bed and all your accoutrements. Leading into your master bath, double vanities, walk-in shower with dual shower heads, open water closet. Also some built-in shelving there in the shower and a walk-in closet. Split floor plan, so we're going to head across and take a look at our additional bedrooms. So towards the front of the home, additional bedroom number 1. Full bathroom between these two. Shower tub combo, a classic tile on the floor in there. Tile to the ceiling for the shower surround. Another additional bedroom. And then we're going to take a look upstairs. So this was recently finished space, so this adds a 4th bedroom. And brings our square footage to up and around the 1800 mark. Space is heated and cooled. Got your closet. And up here and in the stairwell, you'll note the luxury vinyl plank on the floor. Okay, sweet. Check out our backyard. Lot sitting at 0.16 of an acre. There's plenty of room back here for the kids to run and play. Obviously, you've got the built-in tree house, but not too much to manage. Certainly not. You've got the covered patio and lanai. Our porch is stubbed out for natural gas grill, and also off to the right, a functioning outdoor shower. Fantastic, guys. You really need to come set your eyes on this. This is one of the newer homes in this area. So again, 2741 North 16th Avenue. Y'all come take a look for yourselves. Beautiful home.